so asetna na asetna omoko eni nyina eye nuaba Rosemond Alade Brown ye body ni se yankofo nhwe de anim this ye kaka ho se Akuapem Polo asem ni fiase wo circuit court ena ye sentence in 90 days e wo ho ena okọ appeal e wo high court okọ appeal na appeal court ye high court judge le ka se de sentence ni de ena mo bra kwanso enti tete days na aka no fa na ko twani reko na bra na ka so ko mu be nafua enumu konsia ni be 6 to 5 days and 6 to 8 days training na lawyer Kwadwo Andy Votia e find the file case na for court of appeal extra court na say omon ka say asotwe a ya twen Akuapem Polo omon pe nemum see e de ne kwafiase say onko 90 days no kwafiase ne de yestre e be ya anka sa asotwe no ye mfanye sika ye beka se fine na ontua eno enene emema kritina wa mako miensa etna se e court of appeal Justice Anthony Kofi, Justice Eric Brown, and Justice Bright Mensah. Enipa miensen and etna se ewo court of appeal. Ahima omo bobo nsem ne bobo ya. Ni omo kanyina ne say court na a sentence Akuapem Polo ne de eye pepepe. Emra no se moafo na musu. Wanyi bia ntim na wanfa bia nkan. Nemum se obeka se onkwasiase nefua mako edo kono no omo consider say owo baketwa ne ba no ewo mfinhyianso enu achi oye single mother obi eni ho a obehwe akwala na ma no ebere woni ho ikura no etese obi etenasie no sa akwala nti se hwan na wo ho eni ti ne omo kan say sentence ayede ma Akuapem Polo no omo de yesika esi anamu na sika no say e na omo ka say ye ka charges me nsani nyina ko ma Akuapem Polo ntia 12,000 Ghana cedis otuye wi say sika ni via onko ene yakache ne lawyer say omo modian say opie ba enepe afutu emu odin afutu ese ne fatapa ena on reso de be mana that social media say competition omo yo say race no omo ko say den omo ya on say san ne manema no be posti o social media no onye bi
me nya ketwa
okay me ka de me so NP ene yes Akuapem Polo on fa ni hundi on kofi on 12,000 Ghana cedis news yo mo jenesen
I'm sir. So far, this is the best news. Even I am a so he didn't Christmas because it's easy. For over 2 or 3 years now, I have battled with this case. Starting from the trial court, Circuit Court, 90 days jail term now, in placement of a fine because all the counts now. It's a misdemeanor, but all the 3 counts you can choose between custodial sentence and then a fine. But the trial court, which is specialized court for gender, they chose the custodial sentence because they felt that she needed to go through that so that it can serve as a deterrent and as judge needs to others. But the sentence was too harsh because now a first-time offender, and the law also stated clearly, first-time offender, only police near them, on court ourselves, only police near them, and he and out here, court on the point that second, no name say, you know, everything that I be easy and winning bonnie, Obin Casania bonnie, but when Nimpo Tapeta, you need both of you civilians, the Nimpo Tapeta Nazati, would bet our China, would try them for the 2 of her. It's not about court. I think I'm moving my views, everybody else, and I silence for you to high court. And also back and forth. Justice will be also the ruling by say one of the supported statement from the trial court. So I'm going to court in 90 days jail time or so. And that's why I need it because you want to say submission is not considering mitigating factors near the end. It's not filing an appeal because a man might find me appeal to the highest level and if you more Supreme Court of Appeal and presiding judge, as well as mine. So 12,000 Ghana cedis is equivalent to 1,000 penalty in it. I told you, any prison, you have some, you have some.
Now, I am maybe one last question. Judge is here now. Eka say, Brofokata Omka says, Akuapem Polo answers from her foolish ways. Now, on your same media, and then you'll be in the community. What we in your beme, a crime benson and mobile fire social media will be posted near Megway, and sign and finding cost not foolish ways. Yeah, I can't watch me. Obey me, I can hear from
to say no, Yabe, especially some of us, Katie had the uncle for be kind of cafe, lawyer and had your card also. And so, if you're trained, well, I'm out there and say, but yeah, be doing. Go through all this process and not only pay and now time now you might have a boko. And can you say, only had a boko, no better pay, no baba, yibia, better other pay because what's the justice in the kind that time celebrating a pussy, I think them how, and yet it's not your main, sorry, I don't Instagram, not proceed because I want to put them in control. But I just took a picture, and I try with me about them. Name whatever trouble on thing there, nobody. And to appeal about the yes, you remember who too heavy. And so by a man of Yamuka and Omade Tuda, anyhow.